Every December in Ossining, we celebrate the Hour of Code. The Hour of Code is an opportunity for every single student in the Ossining School District to spend an hour coding. And here, what we do is we spend more of a month coding. We have our high school students visit our elementary schools, as well as our middle school students visiting Claremont. And we provide a number of opportunities for the students to participate in coding activities. In Park School, our engineering students come to visit and they do different coding activities. This year we worked in 4 different centers playing with robots and screenless coding.
I was working with the coding penguins, and we had different penguins with different arrows and directions pointing on them, and we had to figure out how to direct one penguin to get through the maze and find its others. The kids really enjoyed it and found it really easy.
We introduced them to driving a Sphero, and they got to change the colors and play around with it, and now we're going to allow them to do a little figure eight with them.
I was working with Cubeto, and the kids, they got it pretty fast. Yeah, they really enjoyed it. They had a lot of fun watching it move by itself.
We're just teaching the kids how to do some simple drag and drop programming on Scratch Junior. They're learning how to move their characters across the screen, have them jump, have them run, have them race with each other, and just having a great time learning how to program.
At Brookside, we worked with Tinker and again had our engineering students come down to visit, and the students were able to work with a robot called Root, and then they coded with our engineering students again.
At Brookside, the engineering club, teaching the little kids how to code and about robots and how code is the language of a computer. They're obviously having a great time. And we just are going to each school in the district and teaching them about different coding, like different ways of language and stuff like that. And we're using robots, we're using Scratch Junior, we're using Tinker to teach these kids how to code.
At Claremont School, our middle school students visited. Our middle school students completed a coding challenge on their own time, all voluntary, and we had over 130 students complete the challenge to come and work with our students in Claremont School. And at Claremont, the students worked with code.org and worked in practice with some drag and drop coding.
Apparently I did a breakout room, which, well, mostly an escape room, yeah. You were supposed to complete any puzzles or etc. just to earn a trip to visit Claremont to help other little children to help with Hour of the Code.
They're doing an Angry Bird Angry Birds themed Hour of Code, and we're just basically overseeing and helping when need be.
Our computer science students at OHS in their game and app development class were able to make games and bring them to our students at Roosevelt, and our 5th grade students were able to play those games.
At Roosevelt, we are here with the computer science principles class to present some of the games that we have made in MIT App Inventor to the 5th graders.
So we had a lot of opportunities, a lot of volunteering from our students to help our younger students really engage in coding, and we've celebrated an entire month of coding here in Ossining.